Juicing is a process that extracts the juices from fresh fruits and vegetables. It usually strips away most of the solid matter, including the seeds and pulp, from whole fruits and vegetables. You can implement a juicing plan today to keep a healthy, optimal life that promotes weight loss by combining good fruits and vegetables. Even if you are already practicing a weight loss diet or activities, you can still incorporate it with juicing and find it a delicious method for losing weight. Once you follow the helpful tips provided in this video, the benefits of juicing will reflect on your weight and whole life. Step 1. Get a machine. A machine is a major factor to consider while adapting to the juicing method. It is called a juicing machine or juicer, used to extract liquid contents from fruits and vegetables. There are many of them in the market, but the question is which one could be the one right for you? The centrifugal machine seems the best among the ones available because it has the ability to juice both soft and hard fruits as well as most vegetables, though not all. They are efficient enough, less noisy, have good juicing speed, and are easy to clean. Masticating juicers uses gears to grind fruits and vegetable, but works best to grind green leafy vegetables. On the other, electric citrus juice is a nice option with an efficient speed. Spins reamers which go right into your fruits, specifically the citrus fruits, helping to squeeze it efficiently. Step 2. Get healthy fruits and vegetables. The basic information is that fruits and vegetable aid in weight loss, and another important thing is juicing from healthy fruits and vegetable sources. While going for juicing as a weight loss plan, choose healthy fruits and vegetables from which you will obtain your juice. When I say healthy fruits and veggies, I mean the ones with fewer calories, required vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that facilitate weight loss. Here are some fat-burning juices which you can source for their fruits and veggies: wheatgrass juice, mango tango, pineapple boost, celery juice, carrot juice, cucumber juice, lemon juice, cranberry juice, watermelon juice, almond juice, gooseberry juice, aloe vera juice, beetroot juice, cabbage juice, bitter gourd juice, etc. Step 3. Choose appropriate juicing recipes. Juicing ingredients means the juice recipe you used for your juicing process, which will include a variety of fruits and vegetables. Before starting the juicing process, consider the nutrients in the fruits and vegetables you are about to blend. The nutritional content in one fruit can complement others to balance your diet and contribute to your weight loss purpose. Therefore, opt for the recipe that will benefit you the most. For instance, the ingredients used for a particular juice can be cucumber, celery, green apples, and pears, considering the combination of their nutritional values. Step 4. Juice diet. Juicing can be used as 1 or 2 meals in a day. Since it is advisable to juice in the morning or at night after a meal, if you are a busy type, you can prepare the juice you will take for a day at once. Juice diet helps in fast weight loss because most juice contains fewer calories, which is the major criteria to weight loss: consuming fewer calories than you burn. The fewer calories you consume on a juice diet, the more quickly you achieve your weight loss. You can prepare your juice ahead of the time you wish to drink it and store in the refrigerator. Ensure to store very well and drink before 24 hours in order not to lose some important nutrient in it. Step 5. Take fresh juice. The story is not just juicing, but how do you juice so that you can get your desired body weight and size. Your juice should be prepared from complete fresh fruits and vegetable. Combination should also contain 1/3 of fruits and 2/3 of vegetables. In all these, the point should be that you track the numbers of calories you consume from your juice daily, and should serve as a replacement for 1 or 2 square meals every day. Benefits of juicing? Juicing is beneficial in all round. It is not only suitable for weight loss but improves the general health of the consumer, as well as it supplies the body with nutrients, especially minerals and vitamins, though it removes the dietary fiber which serves as roughages.